guys, welcome back. This is flip through number 3 of the 4 Cinch Journal Christmas kits that are available in my shop. This one is a little golden book again. It's vintage. I think it's like 85 or something. It is the biggest, most beautiful Christmas tree. It measures approximately 8 by 6, give or take, and there are 36 pieces of paper, so that's 72 pages front and back. The kits I used in the book are by Liana Scrap, her Bohemian Christmas kit, I believe it's called. And then also I have Lorna's gorgeous vintage Christmas wrapping paper, digital papers. A few of those are in here as well. My brain. Yeah, so all the links for all of the kits and everything will be in the description box below. So let's get started. Let's look at the book first, and then we'll get into the goodies. So this belonged to Susan. I will say, you know, vintage books, especially vintage children's books, you're gonna see, you're gonna see wear. I didn't do anything, to any of them. I just left them the way they were. The only embellishment, again, is the lace on the first page. This is scrapbook paper. And then, yeah, this is the 1985 copy here. Oh, let me make sure I'm in frame. So we have all the pages from the book are in here. This is some of Lorna's wrapping paper, vintage graph paper, some foily vellum, some Lori dyed paper. Hi, Lori, again. And then this is the gorgeous kit by Liana Scrap. That's the name of her shop on Etsy. I did ink around with, I think it's Barn Door, because it just seemed to work with this. But I love the images and everything, the colors. Some more Lori paper. This is Lorna wrapping paper, some more vellum, some more scrapbook paper, Lorna wrapping paper. How cute are those Santas? Some more graph paper, some more foil vellum, Lori dyed paper. This is from the kit, as well as this. Lori paper. And more wrapping paper and some vintage red graph paper and some scrapbook paper with cute little gumdrops on the back. All right, so that's the book for that one. You set that aside. And again, very similar to the two before it. You have a bulldog clip that I glued this flower onto with E6000, so it's not going anywhere. I grabbed an extra bag because I realized this was getting pretty full. All right, so we have a mix of vintage ephemera and things that I've made, things that other people have made, pieces from the kit that I used. So let's just get started here. These are some registered mail stamps from the Netherlands. I do have those in my shop. If you just want the ephemera, you can find those in my shop. This is a Denison label, a notary label. It's gold, foily. I have those as well. This is another Denison label. This one is Avery. Some cute little Denison tags. A little amusement park ticket. These are pieces from the kit. How cute are those? And then I used Shabby Dabby Doodah's background pages on the backs of the ephemera. This is a gift tag. You can use that however you'd like. Another little place card or note card, however you would decide to use that. And then this bag is full of little bits and pieces. All right, so we have some more glittery silver flowers. 2 of my wax seals. This one has some eyelet trim, and this one has some seam binding. Oh, I forgot to say in the second video, but again, I wouldn't trust my double-sided sticky tape as the only adhesive for these. I don't think that it's going to be the best choice, but I put it on there, you know, so you can try it out if you want, but I would recommend glue. One of my milk cap clusters, some buttons, and then this little gingerbread girl. She doesn't have the button on the back, the rest of them do. Okay, come on. Let's see if we can, let's do it this way. He's got a little face. He's adorable. All right. Whoops. And then these are just a whole bunch of Christmas die cuts. These are new. They're not vintage or any, you know, they're just some die cuts I had in my stash. All right. And then let's see. This is a reindeer rummy card. I like Santa on the back there. All right. Let's do this first. So these are the Project Life cards. Again, like the other two. They are printed front and back. So those are fun. Sorry, that was probably pretty loud. These are pieces from the kit. Just some journaling cards. I have inked around them with the barn door color, distress ink. Super cute. And then they have Tina's background on the back. This is a little file folder from my porch prints. Look at those bunnies. How cute. And on the other side are these adorable foxes. And then just a background printed on the inside. We have some more die cuts. These are some vintage die cuts. These are some adorable little Tim Holtz girls. This is a Tim Holtz ephemera piece. Some Christmas tags. They're not, you know, they're not old or anything, just some new pieces. Let's see. We have some Christmas seals here. And these aren't, you know, they're a little banged up, but they're, I think, still pretty cute. And I had said before, they are gummed, but please don't lick these. I can't guarantee where they've been before they got to me. So just use glue, please. This was, I think, cut out of something. I'm not sure. It's a little die cut. It might be like the other, these other little pieces here. So it's a little bit bendy in this one spot. So, you know, just be careful. Just glue it down and it'll be fine. A vintage poinsettia postcard, a gorgeous fabric flip that was made by my friend Dee Dee. So cute. A time card also made by Dee Dee. These are some long skinny tags that came in the kit. So I just added some polka dot ribbon to the top with some red eyelets. And then these were some little pocket pieces, you know, from the kit. So you've got a place to put some things. And then I used these glittery swirly brads to hold some, you know, festive ribbon on the back there. There's 2 of those. This is pretty much an ornament. I mean, it's pretty thick and stout, but you know, you could put it on the front of a journal if you wanted to. There's so much here. You could, you know, make probably 3 or 4 journals. And then we have a whole bunch of greeting cards. They're all vintage. Some of them are just cut from the fronts, but we'll go ahead and go through them. So some of this was cut off, but you still have this gorgeous image. And then this was just cut off the front of a card, but it's embossed. It's kind of cool. This cute little girl. Oh my gosh. Very cute. No, she's on the back too. And then this one was cut off the front of a card, as was, or no, this is just partial here. This was cut. It's so soft. I love the feel of this paper. I'm not sure what it is, but this is adorable. Oh, isn't that cute? And it does open, I think. Yeah, it does. So you've got a little card, or, you know, it's got the original string on it. So yeah, super cute. And then I love this one too. So from Uncle Gus and Aunt Ella. Very cute. All right. And then there are 2 large Project Life cards. A green envelope that I glued a Santa die cut to, and he's not old. I just inked around him and made him look older. And that's just to hold the flap of the envelope down, so you can fill that up. We have another guest check pocket from my Porch Prints, a little red clothespin to hold all the little pieces in place. Look at that Dolly Dingle, or Dolly Dimple. Alrighty, so that, I just didn't want this all like flying all over the place, so I thought I'd clip it on. You can do what you want with it if you buy that. Another of these Hollyberry napkins. So you get one of those. And then a sheet of labels and a sheet of stickers. These were from IKEA last Christmas. And then a piece of Christmas tissue paper. And that's it for this one. All right, we're getting there, guys. One more. We have one more flip through, but they're all listed in my shop, and that should pop up on the screen here if it hasn't already. A link right to my shop so you can go and check them out. Yeah, one more flip through, guys. Thanks for hanging with me. If you're watching them all, I hope you're enjoying them. All right, I'll be back with number 4 in just a couple minutes. Bye.